Thank you for visiting our channel. We specialize in creating cutting files for use on machines like Cricut and Silhouette or any other cutting machine that works with SVG files. Most of our templates have been created and tested for use on cardstock or paper. I would like to invite you to make this little box that you can use for small gifts, souvenirs, or product packaging. Once assembled, this little box has a size of 2.5 by 2.5 inches at the base and 2.5 plus 1.5 inches high. This cutting and assembly procedure applies to all our boxes that are of this style. In this first part of the video, I want to show you how to set up this file for use in Cricut Design Space. I will use the SVG files with scoreline. First, we ungroup the set. Once this is done, in the right side panel, we will see all the layers of the template. Identify and select the fold lines. Note that below the layer it says Cut. In the design, there are 2 layers of fold lines. Now go to the top panel and drop down the operation menu and choose the score function. Now, below the layer it says Score. Please take note that when you select the layer, it's highlighted in light green. Select each layer with its corresponding score line, 2 layers at a time, and attach them by clicking on the clip symbol. Repeat this procedure. Select 2 matching layers at a time and attach. It's completed. This file is ready to cut. Let's click on Make It. As you can see here, we have to prepare 2 cutting mats, and in both, we have the cutting and score functions active simultaneously. Now we choose our cutting settings. I recommend using 80-pound cardstock, your cutting mat, with enough grip and a sharp blade. This applies to any cutting machine. By following these parameters, you should get a clean and neat cut, as shown here. Once you have cut the 3 elements that make up the box, it's time to assemble it. I'm going to fold where appropriate using my bone folder. I'm using gold silicone glue to glue a flap of the box and the layers of vellum. A small bow with the ribbon of your choice. For that purpose, we have these 4 holes. This is the final result of our project. This is a design that has been created by the Exodus 31 design team. In the description of the video, I have left the link where you can find these cut files. Thank you for watching our video. Follow us for more content.